We have snow! So awesome to look at. Hopefully it's here when the sun comes up. Sleigh bells ringing. Good morning, friends. We still have snow. We got more snow. This is awesome, and it's such a phenomenon here in Victoria, BC. We have snow. I don't know how long it's going to stick around for, so I'm going to get out and do some shoveling and do some practicing. Look at that beautiful view today. This morning, it's like 8:20. It's just got light. Usually it gets light at like 6:30, quarter to 7, and it's been dark all morning. Very weary. Lots of snow coming in. Apparently there's some cold front Arctic cold front frozen over our area, and then with the ocean moisture it creates snow. It's awesome. It's like -1 or 0. It's going up to a couple degrees today, so it'll probably melt, might not. And yeah, this is what it's going to be like for the next couple days. Tune in, check it out. Okay guys, I'm outside shoveling off the car. You can see how much snow it has on it. It's starting to rain now, so the snow is probably going to disappear, but how deep it is. Some deep snow. Looks like I won't be riding the bike today. Bike's got snow on it. Yeah. Haven't rode that in a couple days now with the snow and the freezing rain. Yep, so this is what it looks like. Doing the good old in the car, the snow. One-hander. Get clean the bike off. There's a bike. There's a bicycle. Wouldn't want to be commuting in the motorcycle today, unless you had skis. Alright, so the big snowstorm did come after all, guys. Let's see what happens the rest of the winter. Stay tuned to find out. Snowing in the tropics.